After logging in, look for the tension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. The physiological impact of combining eggs and carbonated beverages. The human digestive system is a highly orchestrated chemical environment designed to break down complex macronutrients into absorbable compounds. When you introduce a combination of nutrient-dense proteins and fats, such as those found in eggs, alongside highly acidic, gas-yielding carbonated beverages, you create a remarkably complex scenario within the gastric chamber. While this specific combination is not inherently toxic and will not spontaneously synthesize dangerous chemicals inside your body, it frequently precipitates significant gastrointestinal distress. Understanding the exact biomechanical and biochemical reasons behind this discomfort requires examining how each component behaves in the stomach individually and exactly how they interact when consumed simultaneously. The mechanics of digestion, proteins, fats, and gas. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, composed primarily of high-quality proteins in the egg white, albumin, and dense lipids, fats, in the yolk. The digestion of these proteins begins immediately in the stomach, where parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, $HCl, to lower the gastric pH to highly acidic levels, typically between 1.5 and 3.5. This extreme acidity is absolutely necessary to activate pepsinogen into pepsin, the primary enzyme responsible for cleaving long protein chains into smaller, manageable peptides. Concurrently, the highly acidic environment denatures the complex, tightly folded structures of the egg proteins, unraveling them so that enzymes can physically access their chemical bonds. The fats present in the egg yolk require emulsification and further processing, which significantly slows down the overall rate of gastric emptying. Consequently, eggs naturally reside in the stomach for an extended period compared to simple carbohydrates or liquids. Carbonated soft drinks introduce a radically different set of physical and chemical properties to your digestive tract. These beverages are artificially infused with carbon dioxide, $CO_2, gas under high pressure, which dissolves into the liquid to form carbonic acid, $H_2CO_3. When you consume a carbonated beverage, the sudden change in ambient temperature and physical pressure inside the stomach causes the liquid to rapidly release this dissolved gas. Furthermore, commercial sodas are typically heavily sweetened and contain supplementary acids, such as phosphoric acid, $H_3PO_4, or citric acid, which lower the beverage's pH to around 2.5 to 3.0. The biochemical collision in the stomach. When you consume eggs and carbonated soda together, these two distinct digestive processes collide, resulting in pronounced physical discomfort. The primary culprit is the sheer volume of expanding carbon dioxide gas trapped within the stomach that is simultaneously holding a heavy, slow-digesting meal. Because the dense proteins and fats in the eggs delay gastric emptying, the stomach remains full and tightly closed off for a longer duration. The continuous release of $CO_2 gas from the soda aggressively stretches the gastric walls. The stomach lining is densely embedded with mechanoreceptors, sensory nerve endings that detect this extreme physical stretching and transmit immediate distress signals to the brain. Your central nervous system interprets these signals as severe bloating, painful abdominal cramping, and a profound, uncomfortable sensation of fullness. Furthermore, the combination of high dietary fat from the egg yolk and severe upward pressure from expanding gas can physically compromise the lower esophageal sphincter. This critical ring of muscle acts as a one-way valve between the esophagus and the stomach. When it is forced to relax inappropriately due to intense internal gas pressure, the highly acidic slurry of partially digested eggs, natural stomach acid, and soda can flow backward into the esophagus, causing the harsh burning sensation characteristic of acid reflux or severe heartburn. The danger of raw eggs and pathogens. The situation escalates dramatically from mere discomfort to actual danger if the eggs consumed were raw or heavily undercooked. The primary biological hazard associated with raw eggs is contamination by the bacterium Salmonella enterica. If a living pathogen is introduced into a digestive system already burdened by a heavy, slow-digesting meal, The bacteria have ample time to survive and potentially multiply before moving into the lower intestines where they initiate a localized infection. Salmonellosis is a serious form of foodborne illness characterized by severe abdominal cramping, explosive diarrhea, elevated body temperature, and persistent vomiting. These symptoms typically manifest anywhere from 6 hours to 6 days after the consumption of the contaminated food. It is a dangerous misconception that the acidity of commercial soda is sufficient to sterilize the stomach. The acid concentration is completely insufficient to kill these resilient bacterial pathogens, meaning the risk of systemic infection remains exceptionally high when consuming raw eggs. This will help determine if you need to take over-the-counter remedies